Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, as you can see from the title, my nephew's taking over the kitchen and he's making Sunday dinner. So Kage, tell them what you're doing today.
So we are making fried chicken. As you can see, we're making fried chicken. So that's one of the basic things, like season the meat and yeah, so you come along for the ride.
Okay, so we're going to get into the video right now. If you're new to the channel, then definitely stick around to see what we're going to do. And hit that subscribe and like button if you like my channel and you love the content. So let's get into it.
So you have to shake up. So I'm going to shake up the excess water of the chicken. And then move it into this one. So we got our seasoning, we got our chicken flavor, Maggi seasoning, we have black pepper, as you can see, we have all-purpose seasoning. Okay, so one in the spoon, So we're gonna need 1 spoon of this, of the all-purpose, all over it. We're gonna do 2 spoons of the chicken flavor. Okay, 2 spoons. And we're gonna do 1 spoon of the black pepper.
Not too much.
Not about a spoon. No, there you go. So after you finish seasoning meat, you're going to go ahead to wash your hands. I'm going to lose this a little bit. Don't want to wash. You add a little bit of water and then wash your hands. You're going to go in and rinse. So after you don't wash your hands, you're going to go ahead to massage the seasoning in the meat. So you're going to rinse off your hands now. So now as we're done mixing the seasoning, we're going to put the seasoning to soak. So I'm going to grab a cover and cover it. I'll put it aside. So now we're going to look about the butter. I have already put in the flour, so I'm going to put in 1 spoon of cornstarch, Okay, what's I'm putting that. So we're gonna add some cornmeal. Okay, that's too much. Okay, add the cornmeal, and then you're gonna sprinkle a little bit of a chicken flavor. Not a lot, not a lot. And then I'm going to use a spoon and stir it in. So we're going to let the chicken soak for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to just cover the flour because we don't want to fly it. And yes, see you in 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
So my grandmother has already prepared the seasoning to go into the peas. So we got our Scotch bonnet pepper, we got our pimentos, we got our scallion, we got our garlic, thyme, butter, oil, and salt. So I'm going to open the pot and show you. You can find a cloth. Let's use this. I'm going to grab a spoon. I'm going to stir. I have my coconut milk here that I'm going to throw in. Now. Oh, beautiful. Put down there. So I'm going to starting by adding the pimentos, the garlics, and then I'm going to add in the scallions. I'm going to add in the pepper, the salt, oil, thyme, all this, the thyme, and this big stick of butter. I use transparent, you don't want it to stick. And then I'm going to make it boil. I'm going to let it sit and boil.
So he's preparing his egg wash to use to fry his chicken.
Put the oil to hot. I have already put add the pepper. It's like it bursts.
Spicy chicken, if anything.
See? You see? Well, it's like the spring on through. Okay, so now here's the chicken after soaking for about 45 minutes.
Chicken pretty good.
I'm going to take a drumstick and first, so I'm going to do an egg wash. So I had the egg. So I'm going to just put it in the flour, then in the egg wash, then back in the flour, and then put it in the oil. Shake off the excess. Then add the egg wash. And then back into the flour. So I'm going to add in the chicken. Not for it, slowly lay it down. So I'm going to do one next piece of chicken. This is my first batch done. Golden food. So this is my first batch. I did pretty good. What do you guys think? So I already got some in it. I added more. And I got the peas boiling over here. The peas over here.
So you're still cooking your rice?
So it's about give us 5 minutes and I'm adding the rice. Okay. I'm going to wash the rice now. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I got one in there. Want to do the same procedure. Golden. Okay, so I don't know how you guys watch your rice, but I watch it like this. You must wash your rice 3 times. So guys, I'm going to add in the rice. I washed it 3 times for those who are wondering. I washed it 3 times. So I got the rice here. Just going to try to so you guys can see.
Hold the top lower.
Okay. I'm going to get a spoon to stir up the rice so you don't want anything to stick. And you just let it to steam. Okay.
A few moments later.
So guys, as you can see, look at the rice. It's nice and fluffy. Look at that. Look at that. Nice rich rice. So my grandmother has put on some okra to boil and some spinach. Looks like a side dish. Alright, so the next tip you guys will see is when the food is dished and ready to eat. You know, that's Kage in the kitchen. Is the cooking is my passion, so they know them start from a young age. So for the young people that want to do things, don't let anyone or anything stop you from doing that. Follow your passion, follow your dreams. So yes guys, we finished up. Everything turned out as a planned. I think I did good. What do you guys think?
Let me know down in the comment section how you think he did for his Sunday dinner preparation. Proud of him. So guys, of course, if you want to see another video like this, you can definitely let me know in the comment section what you'd like to see him cook, right?
Yeah.
And of course, if you're new to the channel and you have not yet subscribed, do go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you liked the video, and let's chit chat down in the comment section. So guys, until next time, continue to be your most authentic self and
Stay naturally.